Say something. Something. I don't know what to say, dear.
Alright, well here we are on Dunk Island. We sailed 9 miles northwest from Hinchinbrook yesterday through grey overcast weather, but we woke up this morning to a perfect blue sky day. We have anchored in Bramo Bay and have now come ashore to walk up the track to Mount Cootaloo. We are across from South Mission Beach on the mainland. The resort here is closed now due to the devastation of Cyclone Yassi in 2011. However, the National Park camping facilities are restored and the airstrip is still operational. We're overlooking the Family Islands, which consist of 7 or so islands, some being privately owned, some with exclusive resorts, and the others are national parks. So Steve, where are we?
Well, at the top of Dunk Island.
Mount
World War II
Cthulhu.
radar station, apparently.
Uh-oh, tide's too low. This is Dunk Island, what's left of it after the cyclones. But look, here we've found the Dunk Island campground. It's really quite well maintained. Nice little sites. Mound Island is just in front of where we've anchored, so we thought we'd jump in the dinghy and have a look around. What a nice Mission Beach sunset.
Well, we're leaving Dunk Island and heading for Cairns.
Oh, you're very dark because I think the sun is just rising.
Yeah, as much moonlight as there is sunlight at the moment.
Yeah. Well, I can't see your face, but
That's a good thing. Over here, unparalleled here. I don't think there's much in the way of shipping that goes to Cairns. For cruise ships or anything ever going in there.
not so happy today, Poppy. Sandy dog is a bit seasick. What is it, Steve?
I don't know what it is. It's back there, splashing.
Can we see it?
Yeah. Oh, it's taking the dinghy.
The dinghy?
Where's the dinghy?
No, just get your fish.
Well, we caught a fish. The first fish we've caught in maybe 1,000 miles. So I was winding him in, and just as I'm winding him in, The rope onto the dinghy snapped. It's been there for 10 years and it snapped at the same time I'm trying to bring a fish in. You think, what are the chances of that? So anyway, got the fish halfway to the boat and he got off the lure. So then I had to go try and fix the dinghy. So disappointed.
Yes.
I may have said, oh fiddlesticks, what are the chances of that? We're going to Fitzroy Island. We're on our way to Cairns, but I think we'll make Fitzroy just on dusk, so I think we'll try and pull up there for the night, spend the night there and carry on through in the morning. I don't like messing around after dark if I don't have to. Anyway, we'll go past the anchorage and we'll have a look, and if people are rolling their guts out in there all over the place, we'll go bugger it and we'll carry on through the night. And if they look nice and comfortable and it looks good, we'll just pull in there for the night.
Fitzroy Island and little Fitzroy Island. Little Fitzroy. Big Fitzroy. Mr. Happy!
I look happy. I look tired.
Oh, he's exhausted. Sunrise to sunset sailing today. Here's our gorgeous Cairns at the sunset. Arrived at Fitzroy Island. Big resorty thing in there. What's happening?
We've left Fitzroy Island and we're just chugging around to Cairns. It's just about a 15-mile run. Fitzroy Island was lovely. We'll have to go back and spend a bit of time there, but we need to get into Cairns and get supplies. We're out of food and everything. So we're just motor sailing along. It's about a 3-hour trip.
Oh my, I finally spy Cairns. Into Cairns. So here we are at Cairns, and again it's the Cairns Festival. We're like everywhere we go we do the festivals, and we've got fireworks again. We're heading out of Cairns and onto Port Douglas this morning. We've had a few days running around Cairns and fixing holes and problems with the dinghy. We were anchored down near Admiralty Island, so as we head out we pass the sugar wharfs, HMAS Cairns, cruise liners, yacht club and marinas. As we got out of Trinity Inlet and around Yorkeys Knob, we were fortunate enough to witness our last whale encounter. So beautiful. So here we are, nearly made it to Port Douglas. Woohoo! There are so many boats anchored in Dixon Inlet, and we've had to come miles down here to anchor. And then we're pretty close to this other boat. This is where we are. And from there, look at this thing. This could be us tomorrow. So we've got to not hit that, not hit the other one. And then that's the way back out.
Okay, so this is my last boat over here. I don't know if you can see it.
Your last boat?
Yes, so do watch my tips on how to anchor. Okay, cut.
Thank
That's
you.
it. Right, let's go have dinner.
If you haven't already, please subscribe and YouTube will notify you when our next episode is ready. We make it to Lizard Island. Ciao for now.